Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the magnified eyes filter on TikTok. So I just opened up my TikTok app this morning and then I found this filter, so it's trending at the moment. So to get it, go to the TikTok camera by going to the homepage or whatever and then tapping on the plus icon in the center at the bottom. That will take you to the TikTok camera, and you always want to make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. So if you have an update in your app store, go ahead and update, and then tap on effects there at the bottom left hand corner, and there you can see underneath the trending filters, you can see that person's face with the big eyes. If you tap on that, you can see there's the magnified eyes filter. But if you're not finding it from within that filters tab, go back and then tap on the discover tab, and then in the search bar just type magnified eyes and then hit search, and there you should see the effect pop up there. If it doesn't pop up there, that means it hasn't been released for your specific country just yet. So just keep an eye on it and make sure that you're always running the latest version of TikTok. Then you can go ahead and either tap on that, or you can go to videos tab. If there's videos using the filter, you can tap on it, and above the person's username it should say magnified eyes. I can't find any in this situation, so I'll go to the top and then tap on effects, and then you can go ahead and add it to your favorites so you can quickly get access to it later. So if I just tap on one of these videos right now, you can see above this person's username it says magnified eyes. If you tap on that filter there, it's going to take you to the filter page, and then you can tap the camera button at the bottom to use the filter. It'll just take a moment to load, and there you go. You can position it over your eyes, and then you just hit the record button, record a quick video using the filter, and then when you're happy with it, you can go ahead and tap the tick mark, add your sounds, add your different effects and everything like that. Tap on next when you're done, and then just go through the posting process and you're done. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.